In this tutorial we will learn how to transform a position from world space to screen space in Unity 3D using C#. In Unity and other game engines, screen space and world space are terms used to describe different coordinate systems. Screen space. Screen space refers to the coordinate system that corresponds to the player's screen or display. The screen is divided into a two-dimensional grid, where the bottom left corner has coordinates 0, 0, and the top right corner has coordinates screen width, screen height. The unit of measurement in screen space is usually pixels. In screen space, the position of an object is defined relative to the screen. World space. World space, also known as global space, is a coordinate system that represents the game world or scene. It is a three-dimensional coordinate system where objects are positioned in relation to each other within the game environment. The origin of the world space is usually located at a specific point in the game world. The unit of measurement in world space is arbitrary, and it is typically used to represent meters or units within the game. Next, we will briefly talk about 5 practical use cases where you might need to transform a position from world space to screen space in Unity. 1. Object highlighting. When you want to highlight or outline specific objects in your game, it's often helpful to position GUI elements, such as a highlight effect or an indicator, on top of the objects in screen space. By transforming the object's world position into screen space, you can accurately position the GUI elements on the screen relative to the objects, ensuring proper highlighting. 2. Heads-up display. HUD elements, such as health bars, mini-maps, or score displays, are typically rendered on the screen in fixed positions. To position these elements correctly, you need to convert the world positions of relevant game objects into screen space. This ensures that the HUD elements are displayed consistently in relation to the game world. 3. Screen effects. Applying screen effects, such as screen shakes, screen fades, or post-processing effects, often requires knowledge of screen space coordinates. By transforming world positions into screen space, you can accurately position and apply these effects based on the positions of specific game objects in the scene. For line-of-sight checks, in games with line-of-sight mechanics, such as stealth or enemy detection systems, you may need to determine if certain objects or characters are visible to each other. By converting their world positions into screen space, you can perform line-of-sight checks by using techniques like raycasting or determining if the object's screen positions fall within a certain range or view cone. 5. UI interactions. When interacting with UI elements, such as buttons or sliders, you might need to convert world positions into screen space to determine if the user is interacting with specific UI elements. This is especially useful when you have UI elements that are positioned relative to game objects or have complex UI layouts. These are just a few examples of how transforming positions from world space to screen space can be useful in Unity. The ability to convert between coordinate systems allows for accurate placement of GUI elements, positioning of HUD elements, application of screen effects, line-of-sight checks, and interactions with UI elements in your Unity projects. Let's consider a practical situation where you have a 3D game in Unity, and you want to transform the position of a game object from world space into screen space. For example, you might need to display an indicator above the game object in the game view. To accomplish this, you can follow these steps in Unity using C#. Step 1. Capture the world position. First, you need to capture the world position of the game object you want to transform into screen space. Let's assume you have a reference to the game object or its transform. This is the code for same. Step 2. Transform world space to screen space. Now, you need to transform the captured world position into screen space. Unity provides a useful function called camera.world-to-screen-point for this purpose. We'll use this function to perform the conversion. This is the code for same. In this code snippet, we obtain the main camera using camera.main, assuming you have a camera in the scene. Then we use world-to-screen-point to convert the world pos from world space to screen space. The resulting screen pos is a 3D vector containing the x, y, and z coordinates of the object in screen space. Step 3. Use the screen position. You now have the screen position of the game object.
You can use this position to perform any necessary calculations or interact with UI elements in the game view. For example, you can instantiate an indicator object at the screen position to visually represent the game object's location in the game view. Remember to attach this script to an appropriate game object in your scene, and make sure the camera component is assigned as the main camera in the Unity editor. That's it. You have successfully transformed a position from world space into screen space in Unity using C#. We have covered everything for this tutorial. You can find all the code from link in description below. Please subscribe, like, comment and share my channel for further motivating me to make more such interesting videos for you. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.